Gusto mo? Kiss. Pwede si Sharpie. Pwede ba ko?
Bigyan mo mga judges! Mga judges dito! Good morning everyone and good morning judges. My name is Hermine Crispia from District Congratulations! Michelle, dito si judges! Michelle! Dapat may moto! Dapat may moto! Dapat may moto!
God made mankind, but everything
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nina Clener Giragindis from First Year St. Albert by Lorena de la Paz. My motto is, what is beauty if the brain is empty?
Number 3!
Ano ba yan? Wala kwento naman yan. My name is Chris Carlos.
Kasali yan na, kasali yan.
St. Albert Cagrea. By Mrs. Lorena de la Paz.
Motto! 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 Motto!
mankind, but everything else made in China.
Uy, mukhang na kayo nag-vote yung...
Yes? Yes?
Ayun o, Daddy, dito mo. Yung nakatayo po doon, kailangan ko yung tingting na nagsasayaw. Kailangan ko inakatayo po doon. Dapat po, may giling-giling ko po bago po mag-iwan.
Dapat nakapigilin mo na.
Nakapigilin.
O tayo sa sentence number 1. Morning everyone.
What?
Dapat tatayawin si Reynaldo. At nasa likod si Reynaldo.
Reynaldo.
Nasa ko nga. Dapat tatayawin ang kotse na. Kahit ano yan.
Kahit ano, it depends on you.
Hey, Michelle, regardless here.
Yes, what is your reaction about their talent? Good? Is it bad?
Me, I don't like this move.
The challenge is
Because,
going to A.
wala pa nga.
Okay.
Can you sing my song?
I don't like your reaction.
Ano yan?
Oh, you're staring at fine dictionary.
Ayoko naman ng
Are you in Jane? Hey! Are you in Jane? Go! Next contestant number 2! Uy, kayong mga lima judges, huwag na kayong mahuli. Game na.
Di ka kita, Danilin. Di ka kita. Wait, no, wait. Oh, start. What's your talent, Miss Nina?
Ayun, parang
Game. Huwag na napansin na ginapansin eh. Umangkos dito. Ang natin.
ay, mag-aalas. Nakawala ng original.
Gaya, patay. Wala na, patay na yung ano.
Yay! Yes, Rans, get modeling. Pagalingan natin ang...
Next, ano na? Beauty and ano?
Question and answer!
Okay, question number 1.
Bakit ko ibono po?
Bunot! May pabunot daw kasi mabodel. Kailangan nyo. Sana madapa ka. Dapat sa i-skip na madapa. Kunyari, magtugal number 2. Ay, jaday. Question. Good morning, judges. And good morning, everyone.
Is your family important to you? Why is that so? Is your family important to you? And why is that so? In English, please. We don't speak Chinese.
Ba't ako maintindihan nyo? As we say,
In English.
translator si my parents important to me.
Nabilisan mo.
My inspiration of my life and my parents is my most judges naman lang.
One.
I love you so much, Mom. And till then, I was far. Thank you, Dad.
See your number.
Okay, question number 1.
Hello, judges muna. Hello, judges.
What would you do if you win in this pageant?
I will help other people.
Ano ba yan? Take the leader the first cut, no?
Ano ba yung value ng pera?
No. I'm going to share this into the... Yeah. With man. Yeah.
Pwede ba Tagalog na?
Yes.
Na kayo sa akin.
Hindi ako magiging mayabang sa ibang tao. Hindi ko pagyayabang na... In English, I don't understand you.
Ano ba yan?
Kasi dapat
Ah,
English
ah.
unfair. Dapat English. What would you do if you win in this pageant?
Ay, putik.